motion of thanks on the president address. Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge got very angry at BJP MP Neeraj Shekhar. He started speaking in between, on which Kharge got angry and said, "I was your father's friend too. I used to roam around with him too. Sit quietly." After which BJP MP Neeraj Shekhar also got angry and Dhankar was seen mediating between the two. You will also be surprised to hear Shatrughan Sinha's sarcasm. Shatrughan Sinha, MP of Mamata Banerjee party TMC, who is campaigning for RTC, said during the campaign that our respected publicity minister means the Prime Minister. He is my friend and also my Prime Minister. It is said that he works for 18 hours, but I feel that he is busy in campaigning for 10 to 12 hours, be it municipal election, assembly or parliamentary election. Wherever you see our respected Prime Minister, definitely vote. The person who first implemented liquid ban in Bihar. In the new year, Rahul Gandhi is going to visit Bihar for the second time. In this visit, Rahul Gandhi will attend his birth anniversary celebration of great freedom fighter and social reformer Jawaharlal Chaudhary. 9 April 1938 is the date recorded in the region of Bihar when, as excise minister, he implemented liquid ban in the whole of Bihar. Rahul Gandhi's new avatar in politics. Rahul Gandhi is now stacking the foundation of Modi government on the basis of figures and facts as the opposition leader. Rahul has also started showing a very tactful style now. At the beginning of his speech, he thanked Om Birla, and when the camera was turned towards him, he thanked him again for this. And let us tell you that Rahul also complains about the media that they do not give prominence to his news and do not show it prominently. He said that manufacturing has gone to the lowest level in 60 years. He told Rahul Gandhi that the government is not aware of the change. He has drawn full attention towards the computer revolution in India. Manjhi attitude is harsh regarding seats. Jitan Ram Manjhi has become harsh regarding the assembly seats. He has again reiterated his demand of 20 seats in Ghosi. He said that there are 5 parties in the alliance and the 2 biggest parties take more seats. Others do not get proper share. If rotis, bread, are being distributed among 5 brothers and 3 breads have already been distributed, then we should also get proper share. EVM issue raised in Delhi's battle before elections. Whenever BJP party wins and the opposition seems dissatisfied, the raised issue of tampering in EVM, and this becomes a big issue of debate in the country. This debate keeps on arising until the election commission has declared the EVM correct. Kejriwal has said that the appeals to the people of Delhi to vote heavily for Aam Aadmi Party to defeat BJP's EVM game. These people can create a 10% disturbance in the vote, and you should vote in such a way that 10% more votes go to Aam Aadmi Party. Rahul's message on alliance with SP in Delhi. Mamata and SP have supported Aam Aadmi Party in Delhi. Congress has separated here, but amidst all these circumstances, SP has made it clear that they are not against Congress in Delhi, but they want to defeat BJP. AAP and Congress, the 2 constituents of India Alliance, are leaving their enemies behind in exposing each other in Delhi. There are elections in Bihar, and in view of these elections, Rahul was seen mentioning India Alliance many times during his speech to review the existence and activity of India Alliance. Tejasvi Yadav called Vijay Sinha LOL Chief Minister. Tejasvi Yadav called Vijay Sinha LOL Chief Minister. Even before this, he attacked Vijay Sinha and said that how did he get the post of Chief Minister? Now Vijay Sinha has also attacked Tejasvi Yadav and said that Tejasvi's downfall is near. Kejriwal has sought refuge from the election commission. Kejriwal had written a letter alleging that the BJP workers are being harassed along with intimidation. Kejriwal had appealed to the election commission to take action against this, in response to which the election commission took cognizance. The district election officer, while responding to this, said that no Shock Forbes has released the ranking of the 10 most powerful countries in the world in 2025, in which India has been kept out of the top 10. The list is based on many important parameters, but keeping out a country like India with a hug population, fourth largest army and fifth largest economy has raised many questions. Forbes said that this list has been prepared by US News and five main parameters have been used for ranking. This list is prepared on the basis of the leader of any country, its economic influence, political influence, a strong international alliance, and a strong army. Speaker scolded the MPs. Today, on the third day of the budget session, a lot of ruckus was seen in the parliament. The Lok Sabha Speaker said, if the people of the country have sent you to write slogans, then do this. And if you want to run the house, then go and sit on your seat. Regarding the stampede in Mahakumbh, members of opposition parties raised slogan of Prime Minister Jawab Do, Modi government same. PM Modi made a special appeal to BJP workers on the day of voting in Delhi. PM Modi has given a special responsibility to BJP workers and has asked them to take BJP supporters with them to the vote. PM said that to free Delhi from disaster, BJP workers should take at least 5 BJP supporters with them to the polling booth on 5 February and get votes for BJP. Vibes strong royal. From JMM's stage, Hemant's national leadership trumpeted through the 46th Jharkhand Day. JMM not only presented its figure, stretched it before the public, but also hit many targets with one arrow on its opponents. The way in which Gandhi MLA and Chief Minister Hemant Soren's wife Kalpana Soren addressed a public meeting, which has many political meanings. Kalpana Soren started her address by remembering the date of movement and struggle of party Supremo Shibu Soren and said in an emotional tone that Guruji lives in the hearts of the people of Jharkhand. Now Hemant Soren is his reflection and is fighting and agitating for your rights. Now we have to hoist the flag of JMM in other states as well. Said that the country needs Hemant. Kalpana in her own style expressed the intention of political expansion of JMM in the greater Jharkhand state and other states as well, and said that Jharkhand will not stop now. Insulting comments on the president, 20 tribal MPs demanded action. Referring to Sonia Gandhi's statement, BJP MP said, we highlight this statement with deep concern. It seems to insult the stature and dignity of the President of India, the highest constitutional authority of our country. Such comments not only weaken the dignity of the President's office but also violate the sanctity of parliamentary procedures and tradition. Immediately after the President's address, Sonia Gandhi gave her comment on this, taking a journalist in the parliament premises. She said, poor lady, she was very tired. The poor lady was having difficulty in speaking. On the other hand, Pappu Yadav has said that the president is just a stump. He only has to read love letter. BJP had objected to these statements of both the leaders. Jaya Bachchan and Ravi Shankar face to face on Mahakumbh incident. While talking to the media, Jaya Bachchan said that where is the most polluted water now? In Kumbh, dead bodies are being thrown in the river. The common people who are going to Kumbh are not getting any special facilities. There is no arrangement. It is being lied that crores of people have taken bath in Kumbh. How can such a large number of people gather at one place? BJP MP Ravi Shankar said that there could be a conspiracy behind this accident. He said that the investigation of the accident is going on and there is a smell of conspiracy in it. After the complete investigation, we will be able to know who are responsible for this accident and they will have to bow their heads in shame. They made us dogs. They made us the tail of a dog. In the presence of Akhilesh Yadav, the SP MP said that what kind of society is this where it is being said that the dignity of Ayodhya has diminished when a Dalit become a member of parliament? parliament, they have made as dogs. They made as the tail of a dog. The ministry of the government said that since people made a Dalit a member of parliament, the prestige of Ayodhya has diminished.